Cool.
Okay, but now I have one question for you too.
Please.
Yes. In your opinion, what's the next step or next tools when application security guys need to study or to learn? Because in the past we have a YAST solution, and the world don't like too much, and it stopped the development. And what do you think is the future? What do you think is the new solution for we study?
Ras, you want to start with this?
No, you go, Cassio. I want to hear what you.
I think we should study. How to turn off computers from the energy. Then we will be safe. No, I'm kidding. I think one important thing is like everything now is code. Even before it was application and infrastructure, it was very clear separated. Nowadays it's the opposite. It's everything code. I remember I was setting up fire rules by coding, or WAF rules by coding. So everything is code. So I think everybody, let's say on this industry, on this area, they should know coding, especially security people. A lot of us don't know how code works. Maybe 1-2 scripts or one hello word here or hello word there, but how actually code works, how logics work and algorithms and these things. I think this is an important thing, not only for driving whatever we need to do, automation, etc., blah, 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 plus also how to fix these things. Because if we know how it works, it's also easy to know how to protect or how to fix a problem, which is also a problem of the developers. They know how to code, but they don't know how some attacks happen. That's why we're talking about training. Like, okay, what is a SQL injection? What is a cross-site request forgery? How it happens? I can't understand. So once they know it, now I need to validate this parameter, string parameter here. Super easy to do a validation. But maybe before it was not there in his head that an attack could happen. So I would say this coding, code base and so on would be the skill for every child in the school, apart from English.
I think that you're correct. The answer lies in code, but I think that we're moving to an era that is like filled with AI. So even the developers not always coding because they know how to code. They're using a lot of tools, a lot of AI to code.
Co-pilots and so on.
Yeah, like the open ChatGPT. How do I write this and that function?
Blackbox and the others.
Yeah, so like we need to make sure that even if the developers are not like the best programmers, because they now have AI, right? So it's gonna take off a little bit of the stress from them. Training on security, making sure that we have security tools implemented to help the developers and educate them on security. This is what's going to be like the life-changing thing for us, because they don't need to learn how to code, in my opinion. They need to learn how to protect the code they're using, because it's not just AI. They copy and paste from Stack Overflow. We want to make sure that they know what they're doing in terms of security, right? Because we have tests. The test will tell them if they have something wrong with the logic, but they won't tell them if they have something wrong with security. So we need to be very careful with like the power that we're giving developers right now. We're giving them AI. We're giving them the full internet, like the mind. We need to make sure that we're not like over giving them power without also like controlling what we're doing.
Okay. Marcos,
Okay,
what's your opinion? What's the skill you should learn? What's coming?
I have the both opinion, because I think it's more in the AI. I think the AI is the future, and we need to talk about it and need to study. NVIDIA says is stop the graphic area and it starts the new area is AI, and starts to develop more and improve more research in this area. I think is the future is the AI, and all the application security guys needs to study, improve the knowledge inside this. I think is the future.
Ok. Oi, gostou desse corte? Então te aconselho a seguir o perfil, que tem muito mais conteúdo, e também te convido a continuar o episódio completo na íntegra.